This is Tiffany, and welcome back to Tea with Tiffany, where I share daily financial wisdom and trending market analysis. Remember to like and share and leave your tea and comments down below. Okay, so on to our daily financial wisdom of the day. The art of trading is knowing what to ignore. Okay, so we're going to move over to our charts. And as usual, we're just going to go over the four rules of trading. First rule of trading is to make sure you pay yourself first. The second rule of trading is to drop that stop loss in at your entry point. As soon as your trade starts to take off, you're seeing some profits, go ahead and drop a stop loss in at the entry point. Our third rule of trading is our 50 period simple moving average. That is our buy sell indicator. But when that buy sell indicator is positioned in between the 200 and 500, that is our no sell, no buy zone. And our fourth rule of trading is patience. Okay, so we're going to start with EUR USD. And rule number 3 is in effect for this chart. It's been in effect for this chart for quite a while. We're just going to have to exercise patience, okay? We're going to get opportunities to get back into this market, okay? But right now, we're going to be patient and wait it out. GBP USD, and this is also another market. Rule number 3 is in effect, no buy, no sell. And then USD CHF. This market is a buy market. Though there are pullbacks happening in this buy market, it's still a buy market. The trend has not changed. There is significant pullbacks that's happening, but it has not changed the trend of this market. So we have to exercise patience. I would not place a buy order in at this time. We have one that's further up, has not hit our buy order. We're just going to have to exercise patience. So, like I've mentioned before, there are a lot of different strings that are pulling on these markets as far as dictating what the currency rate is. There's a lot that's going on that we as traders are not privy to, but what we do have in front of us is our chart. And so we respect when the market says that it's pulling back, we pull back. So when the market pulls back, we pull back. We wait it out and we're going to let the market tell us if the pullbacks will create a trend change, then we'll go ahead and we will reposition. Otherwise, the market is going to rally. We just have to wait. Okay, USD JPY. This is another market where rule number 3 is in effect, so we're going to be patient. EUR CHF. This is a market. Rule number 3 is in effect for everyone who is currently not in this market. The rest of us, we're going to be paying ourselves off of this market. So just FYI, friends, once we place our trades in these markets, we're day traders, but these are, we're going to have these trades in for a significant period of time, a couple of months. Okay, so we want to make sure that our lot size is appropriate to our account, because once we've been paying ourselves off of these accounts since the inception, so we have a decent sized lot amount, so we are able to do that, but it's all dictated on your account balance. Okay, so once we place these trades as day traders, we come back, we take a look at our chart to see if anything that we need to address. For the most point, friends, we put our trades in and we let it ride. Okay, we let it ride and we pay ourselves and we're patient. Okay, so this market, EURCHF, this is a market that we got in probably back in September, and we just been letting it ride. We just pay ourselves every day. These are long-term trades. Some of these trends can last up to 6 months to 2 years. So, we're in it for a while. We're in these trades for until the trend changes, until we have to get out, until the market tells us to get out. Okay, so everyone who's currently not in this trade, rule number 3 is in effect. No buy, no sell, you missed your window. EUR GBP. This is a buy market, friends. We have our buy order in. The market pulled back on us. So we're just going to be patient. We're going to wait. Right now, the market is kind of going like sideways, up and down like sideways. So, but the trend has not changed. So this is still a buy market. in the event that the trend changes, we'll go ahead and pull out our buy order, take our minor loss, and we will reposition with a sell and we'll make our money back. Okay. We're taking minor losses again, friends, 2-3 times a month. Okay. But we pay ourselves every day. Makes it worthwhile. EURJPY. This is another buy market. We have a buy order waiting um, for things to rally. The market has not rallied on us. Matter of fact, it's starting to pull back on us, but we're patiently waiting. This is still a buy market because the trend has not changed. So we wait on the market, friends. That's what we do. Okay. GBP CHF. This is a buy market. Well, friends, hold on. This was a sell market. Um, and the market is pulling back on us. So we're just have to wait. We have to wait, okay? GBP, JPY. Rule number 3 is in effect. No buy, no sell. We're out that market. CHF, JPY. This is also a market. Rule number 3 is in effect, okay? Rule number 3 is in effect. If you're not in this market, stay out of it. The rest of us that's in it, we're waiting to see if the trend will change. If it does, we'll jump out of it, okay? Take our minor loss and get out. Otherwise, we just wait. Everyone else, stay out the market. Rule number 3 is in effect. Okay, we're going to take a look at these oil markets. Okay, we have all these oil markets were buy markets. They all fell. The price of oil fell. That goes for Brent crude and Brent spot. But the trend has not changed in those markets. They're still, it looks like for Brent spot is moving towards a sell market. We should have better confirmation tomorrow that these are going to be sale markets. In the event we have these buy orders that never trigger, we'll go ahead and pull those out, okay? And we will reposition with some sell ones, okay? WTI crude. These are sell markets, friends. We got our sell order in. We're just waiting patiently. That's what we have to do. Wait patiently. WTI spot, that goes for WTI spot. We're just waiting patiently for things to head south in this sell market. Now, Bitcoin, rule number 3 is in effect for everyone who's not already in this market, okay? If you're in this market with a buy order, you make sure you pay yourselves, okay? ETH/USD. This is another market. Rule number 3 is in effect for those who are currently not in this market. I choose not to do the Bitcoin. There's just not enough volatility in these markets, not enough up and down movement. But as day traders, you may choose not to because you need something a little bit more robust. But these aren't. But that's up to you. You can. So for those that are in there with your buy order, make sure you have your stop loss in at your entry point and you're paying yourselves every day. Everyone else who did not get in, stay out because rule number 3 is in effect. LTC/USD. This is another market. Rule number 3 is in effect for those who are currently not in those markets. If you're in it with your buy order, make sure you pay yourself. Okay, so let us take a look at silver. Silver rule number 3 is in effect for everyone who's currently not in that market. We had a buy order for silver way back from September, but that we have been paying ourselves off of since September. So make sure you pay yourself, have your stop loss in at your entry point. Everyone else, do not place any new orders because rule number 3 is in effect. Now let's take a look at gold. Okay, gold is also, this is a sell market for gold. I would not place a sell trade because of the pullbacks that are happening. I leave that market alone, okay? USD MXN, this is another sell market. Pay yourselves. We're paying ourselves off of this market, okay? EURNOK. This is a buy market, friends. We have our buy order all in there, but the market has not rallied to hit our buy order. We're just being patient. We're going to wait, see what the market tells us to do next. Either the market's going to continue to pull back, trend changes, then we'll go ahead and reposition with our sell order. But until then, we just hang out and see if the market should rally to even hit our order. Just be patient. EURZAR. This is a buy market. We've been buying this, friends, for a while. We're paying ourselves off of this market. USD NOK. Now this is a buy market. You know, we were actually trading this market, friends. We had our buy order in there. We were making money, but we did have our stop loss in it or at the entry point. So the market pulled down on us, friends. Pulled down on us, hit our stop loss at the entry point, knocked us out. So we're currently out of that market for right now. We made our money as long as we could. The market pulled back on us, knocked us out. So we're out, no loss. USD SEK. Rule number 3 is in effect, friends. No buy, no sell. We're out. We're not in that one. USD SGD. Okay, friends, this is a market that we have been selling probably since the beginning. The trend has changed to a buy market, but we have a sell order in here probably since the beginning, since the market was sell, sell, sell for a very long time. We've been paying ourselves off of that sell order. When the trend changed to a buy, we stuck in a buy order, but the market has never rallied to even hit our buy order. It has continued to head south. So we've been continuing to pay ourselves on our sell order. Our buy, even though this is a buy market, we just went ahead and left our sell order in there since it's so profitable for us. But this is a buy market. So I would not place any more buy orders because of the continual pullbacks. Just wait it out. USD ZAR. Okay, this is also a buy market. We are waiting for this market to rally, which it has not, to even hit our buy order. We're just being patient. We just have to wait. CAD, CHF. Okay, this is also a sell market. We've been selling and paying ourselves every day off of this market. Still a sell. Hopefully you have your sell order in there and you're paying yourselves nicely on. CAD, JPY. Rule number 3 is in effect for everyone who is currently not in this market. Everyone else who got in early with your sell orders, pay yourselves, okay? Pay yourselves. EURCAD. Okay, friends, this market here, we have been in this market probably since I would say like almost, I would say December of last year. We've been buying this market and we've been buying it for several months. And we're still buying it. The trend changed from sell, but now it's back to buy. So we're still buying it. Hopefully you're paying yourselves. You still got your buy order in there. You leave it in there. Keep that stop loss. And that's when you take it out. That's when you take your trade. Well, you don't take, once the market rallies and you're paying yourselves every day, you have your stop loss in, you leave that trade alone. Let it pay for itself, okay? If the trend changes, we can, we adjust with the trend. We'll place a new trend order and we'll move from there. But that original order that you placed months back, you let it rise, you pay yourselves off of that old order, okay? That's how we like to trade. GBP CAD. Rule number 3 is in effect, friends, for everyone who's currently not in this market. The rest of us, we're going to pay ourselves today off of this market. And once again, we've probably been in this market since December of last year, okay? We just pay ourselves. USD CAD. Okay, friends, this is another market we're going to be paying ourselves off of today. It's a buy market. We got in this market very early. Very early. Our buy trade in there, got our stop loss in there. and we just let it ride. Okay. AUD, CAD. This, friends, too. This is a sell market. We got our sell order in there, friends. We got our stop loss in. We're going to pay ourselves off of this market. So hopefully you got your sell order in there and let it ride. AUD, CHF. Okay, friends, this market here, this was a sell market here. We were selling this. It pulled back on us, knocked us out the market. If you want to get back into this market, make sure that it's a sell stop order only. Okay, sell stop order only. We were in it. We got knocked out. We might jump back in it and see if things head south for us. Okay. AUD, JPY. Okay, friends, this is a market. Rule number 3 is in effect for everyone who currently is not already in this market. The rest of us, we're going to pay ourselves off of this market. Okay? Pay yourself. AUD, NZD. Rule number 3 is in effect. No buy, no sell. We missed our window. We're not in that one. AUD, USD. Rule number 3 is in effect. No buy, no sell. We missed our window. We'll wait that one out. EUR, AUD. Okay, friends, this is a buy market. We placed our buy order, I don't know, a week or two ago. We're starting to see profits. We're going to pay ourselves today on this market. We have our stop loss in at our entry point. So in the event things turn south, our trade is protected, okay? EURNZD. Okay, this is another buy market that we are in. We're paying ourselves off of this market today. Got our stop loss in, so if worse should happen, things head south, it'll hit our stop loss at our entry point. No loss, we're out. Okay, and you can make a decision. We'll take a look if that happens. We'll take a look to see whether or not we want to get back into that market. But for right now, we're just going to wait and see what the market does. On GBP AUD. Okay, rule number 3 is in effect, friends. No buy, no sell. GBP NZD. This is a rule number 3 is in effect, friends. For those who currently did not get in with their buy order, we talked about this last couple of weeks ago, getting that buy order in there. But if you didn't take advantage of that, rule number 3 is in effect. NZD CAD. Okay, this is a sell market, friends. We placed our sell order in here, but the market pulled back, never even hit our sell order. So we're just being patient. Like I said, there's things happening behind this, a lot of strings that are pulling and tugging on these markets. Lot of resistance. There's a lot of resistance in these markets because there's a lot of things happening behind the scenes that we as traders are not privy to, and we're never going to be privy to. And even if you had all the facts, it does not tell you how to trade the market. Okay. Okay, so we got our sell order in there. Now we also have a buy order that we placed September of last year. And that buy order, we are still paying ourselves off of that buy order from long time ago. Okay. The trend has now changed. So we got our sell order in, but we don't pull out our profitable order. I mean, the only way we pull out is if the market heads south and knocks us out the market. But until it knocks us out the market, friends, we pay ourselves every day off of these markets. Okay. NZD CHF. This is a sell market. We have our sell order in here. Did a little pullback on us. But the trend has not changed. It hasn't changed. It's still a sell market. We respect what it says. We trust what the market says. If it says sell, it's still a sell. And we just wait. We don't pull anything out. In the event, like I said, that the market pulls back, the trend changes, then we'll take our minor loss. Then we know definitively that we are going in the wrong direction. But right now, the market is sell. We keep our sell order in, okay? NZD JPY. Rule number three is in effect. No buy, no sell. We're out that market. NZD, USD. Rule number three is in effect. We're not in that one. And then the Dow Jones Index or the US 30 index. Rule number three is in effect. No buy, no sell. And then we're going to look at the S&P 500, which is the US 500 index. And that one too is rule number three. So, we have these rules because it serves as a protection for everyone. When things are in the danger zone, we're trying to limit the losses that we have. We only want to take about 2 or 3 losses a month. That's it. That's where we want to stay. So we don't get into very erratic markets where things are in the danger zone. And our 50-period moving average lets us know that when it goes between these two zones, that is our no buy, no sell. We respect that. Okay. We stay out of hot water. Okay. Consistent, profitable traders, we're looking to win 7 out of 10 times. Okay. You're never going to win 10 out of 10 times. A true, consistent, profitable trader is 7 out of 10 times. 2, 3 losses a month. That is our goal. Okay. So we try to stay out of certain markets where things are very, very erratic. Okay, let's take a look at US Tech Index. Rule number three is in effect. No buy, no sell. We're out that one. Japan Index. Rule number three is in effect. So, the market knows something that we don't, and we have to respect that the market knows something that we don't. So that's why we stay out of these markets, because it knows something we don't. Okay. It's a benefit for us. It helps us. It serves us. DE30 index, so the DEX index. Okay, this is also a buy market. We have our buy order in. Pullbacks are happening. We're just being patient in this buy market, and we're letting the market guide our trading. It will tell us what we need to do next. So right now it still says it's a buy market, so we're just going to keep our buy trade in there, okay? And then UK 100 index. This is also, okay, this market here, friends, we were actually buying once upon a time. It was a buy market. We had our stop loss in at our entry point. So the market headed south and hit our stop loss at our entry point, knocked us out the market. So that's the benefit of, these stop losses at your entry point. So if things take a turn for the worse, you didn't lose anything. You made a little money, and then when the market took a turn for the worse, it knocked you out. You're out the market, okay? And so we're going to wait this market out. Because of the pullbacks that's happening in this market, um, usually denotes that there's going to be an upcoming trend change. That has not happened yet. And until it happens, friends, we will not place a sell order. We're going to wait until the trend changes. The market definitively tells us this is a sell market. We will go ahead, reposition, drop in a sell order, and we'll take it from there. That's how we love to do it. You have the least amount of loss from that type of trading. So, okay, friends, so that will conclude our chart analysis for today. We will be back tomorrow for more daily financial wisdom and trending market analysis.